Welcome to my tutorial of JavaScript for beginner. In this video, I'm going to explain about variable and prompt function and the alert function. So in the previous video, we learned about how to use the console.log and then how to write command in JavaScript. So this video, we will learn about how to make the variable and then how to combine that variable with prompt and alert function. So let's get started. To use JavaScript code for this lesson, you can use any other text editor, maybe whether offline or online. Or if you don't want to use, you can use the browser console tool. Also, in this video, I will only use the console tool. So to open the console, right click and click to the inspect. Or another way is Control-Shift-J. So by pressing the Control-Shift-J, it will bring you to the console. So variable, what is variable? A variable is a container. It's like a box. You can put the thing in there, and then you can get it back later when you need it. That's the variable. So variable is a container. You can put the things in there. In the programming, and here things mean it can be number, it can be the text. So all the text are refers to the string, and then all the numbers are referred to the integer with the decimal that we call float. And then there is another type of the data that is Boolean. So the first one is variable name equal name get, so Kevin like that, and then console.log, that is what we learned in the previous video, and then we will call to that variable name. So it's replying Kevin like that. So another variable is the integer, so age equal and 34, and press enter, and console.log, and then age. So it will reply 34. That is how it works. And you can also try out with the float and also with the Boolean. So I will go to the second function, prompt. So prompt, prompt. What is your name? Like that. What is your name? And press enter. I'm sorry, I forgot to put the close parenthesis. Prompt. What is your name? Okay. And then the browser will ask you, what is your name? And you can type your name here. For example, Mike, and click to OK. So this is how it's works, prompt function. So we can combine that prompt function with the variable. So firm name equal, and then name equal prompt. What is your name? Like that. So it will ask you, what is your name? And then we will type like this, and Kevin again, and OK. So, and then now I will talk to you about the alert function, here the alert. So the prompt function will ask you about something. So the prompt function can use to ask the user, X to the information from the user. Alert function is give the information to the user. It's like the notification. So I will use alert. So you are working and plus name. That name represents to this variable. So you are working plus name. Whatever user input to the function, you are working to the name that is written, that is written by the user. So enter. You awaken Kevin like this. So that is how it works. variable, console.log, prompts, and alarm. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.